we have another question here from GCE WAEC. So to solve this particular one, it's a fraction. This is 1 all over 3 over 4, and then minus open bracket 2, 1 all over 3 plus 4. So this will be equal to, this times this is 4 plus this will give us 7 over 4 minus open bracket, this time this is 6 plus 1, 7 over 3 plus 4, so that this will give us 7 over 4 minus, we balance here with 1. The LCM in the bracket is 3, so that 3 times, or 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times this will give us 12. So by implication, this will be equivalent to 7 over 4, and then minus, when you add this you have 19 over 3. So having gotten this, we'll take the LCM of 2, 7 and 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we have this to be 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times this is 7. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times this. 4 times 9 is 36. Write down 6, carry 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus this give us 76. So that this will have it to be 7 minus 76 will give us 69 all over 12. And looking at this, we can reduce this by 3, and 3 here will give us 23, 3 here will give us 4. So we are left with 23 over 4, and 23 over 4, 4 can go into 23 5 times, remember 3 over 4. So this is how we solve this question. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and also comment. I would like your comment.